Hello everyone, I'm Roshan Jahan Ahmed and I welcome you all to my channel. So as the name of the channel suggests that my videos will deal with UGC NET preparation, and if you have psychology as your paper 2, then my videos will definitely help you. And I will also deal with paper 1. But in today's video I have nothing to offer from the examination point of view. So why am I here? Today I want to discuss certain feelings with you regarding opening this YouTube channel. Now the kind of introvert person that I am, opening a YouTube channel, coming in front of the camera, talking to it and connecting with people was never in my agenda. Okay? So things change and that's why I'm here today. So what happened was that before this lockdown thing happened, before this whole pandemic situation, in the first half of March, I actually made up my mind to conduct UGC NET coaching classes. And a few students actually came up to me for the classes, and one of my student already had 2-3 classes with me in my rented apartment in Guwahati. So during the first half of March, so things were running in such a smooth pace that I was conducting classes, students visited my place, and after 2-3 classes, what happened? The situation turned to the worst direction. And we had no other option but to be at our respective homes. And the thought of actually teaching, studying, and conducting classes left our minds totally. And things were so tense that we were not in a situation to figure out what to do. We were actually coping with the prevalent situation then. Now, things have not changed much, but as students are waiting at their homes for the situation to turn normal, many students are keen to actually utilize their time. And many students contacted me regarding their preparation for UGC NET examination, and I could not figure out what media to employ in order to help them. So, with the passing of time, this idea came to my mind that why not open a YouTube channel and then not only connect to my students but also connect with many other students who have psychology as their paper 2 and who are preparing for UGC NET examination. So I took the plunge and that's why I'm here, and I have already posted a video regarding the important books which we will need for our preparation. And in this channel I will be posting videos every week. I will post more than one video, and my videos are going to help you, that I can ensure. And so for this purpose I just need your help and support and love in the long run. So I urge you to subscribe to my channel and look for new videos whenever they come. Go through it and give me your feedback that how am I doing, and with time I will try to improve my quality because I'm very new to this and I will need some time. I'm still not very friendly with the whole setup, so I hope that I will improve for the better, and I expect your love and support. So with this request I take your leave today. We'll meet again. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.